Hey, what's going on, Your Charisma team? Nathan Olson here from yourcharisma.com, helping you create your brand your way. On this channel, we do a lot of social media marketing tips as well as Instagram help, so if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. Today, we're going to be going over what is content marketing and how you can use it to fuel and grow your business. Coming up. Content marketing is a form of content production that is centered around bringing value to your target audience. Of course, the end goal is to increase overall leads and conversions, so you can think of content marketing as a type of content sales funnel. Businesses and brands create content that is centered around bringing value to their audience. Maybe it solves a particular problem, answers a certain question, or provides more insight and even some expert knowledge that the reader may be interested in. Now, it's important to remember that this content is not sales driven. We're not trying to sell a product, push a service. We're simply trying to introduce our brand in a value specific way. That's why all of our content is value-packed and research-based. We want to educate our everyday consumer on all the problems and solutions they might have within our respective niche. That helps to establish ourselves as an expert in the industry. When it comes to types of content marketing, you may already have a few in mind: blog posts, video tutorials, podcasts, but there are a wide variety of content types that you can utilize in order to educate and even incentivize some consumer action. It all comes down to where your consumers spend the most time and what they enjoy to consume the most. For a lot of people, they find themselves on YouTube constantly consuming endless videos, while additionally, there are other people that find themselves reading constant blog posts in order to educate themselves. You simply need to find what works best for your target audience and start producing content that speaks to them. One major defining difference between content marketing and traditional marketing is that content marketing can be evergreen. Unlike traditional sales ads or even ad copy that goes stale over time, helpful resources and content continue to generate organic views over the entirety of their lifetime. And they can be updated, revised, and optimized as new insights or finding comes out. Content running stale? Don't worry. With content marketing, you can update all of your content in order to position yourself as an expert in the industry. If anything, constantly updating your content is going to prove to your community that you're on top of the subjects and that you're thoroughly researching all of the topics that you introduce to them, only furthering and strengthening your relationship as an expert in the industry. Are you struggling to reach new audiences and introduce yourself to new communities? Well, don't worry. With content marketing, unlike traditional marketing that is an outbound tactic, content marketing is an inbound marketing tactic that focuses on introducing your brand in a helpful and insightful way. That means when you first introduce yourself to new audiences, you're already coming with value and trying to help them. With content marketing, you are simply introducing yourself and leaving yourself open to the community for them to explore on their own. You're not trying to say, hey, check out my blog post, or hey, come over here and read this. You're simply saying, I have produced this new piece of research and this new asset. If you're interested in this topic, please check it out. We're not forcing them to go through, and we're not pushing sales on them. We're simply giving them insight, some resources, and some knowledge to help them along their career or even to answer some problems they might have. If you want to grow your small business's community, leads, and even sales, creating a powerful content marketing campaign is going to be essential for your small business strategy. When it comes to creating your campaign, make sure to choose topics that are value-driven and are of interest in your target audience. You always want to produce content that is relatable and has value for your audience. That's the only way we're going to be able to establish ourselves as an expert and a valuable resource in the industry. Well guys, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed. Make sure to drop any questions or concerns in the comments down below. I will be listing up some resources that you can use to further your journey on content marketing in the description section down below. But that's going to be all, and make sure to stay tuned for the next video coming up.